guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Susie and I do videos about food, journaling, ice skating and various other things as well. Today's a journaling one, a sticker one to be specific, so it's just going to be very short. Basically, I just wanted to show you some new stickers I have up in my Etsy shop, and I'm super excited about these. I'm really happy with them and I love how they've turned out. They are something I've been meaning to get up into my shop for months now, but it's all been a lot of work and has felt kind of overwhelming. So I've just been taking it one step at a time, but I've got to the point where I felt I could start adding some more things. And I'm really happy with what I've come up with. So we've got firstly the arrows. So this is for the Daily Duo. At the moment, I don't do stickers for the A5 Daily Duo. It's just for the 7x9. So these, okay, I don't know where I was. I had a spider crisis. Anyway, that's dealt with. So yeah, these arrows are for the Daily Duo. They are designed to fit into the lines on the daily pages. They should also fit into the monthly view into one of the boxes widthways, as do the flags and the event labels I have as well. So those are new. Then we have the dashboard. So this one, I think it turned out really nicely. I'm actually going to show you what that looks like in my journal, but mine will be for the August dashboard, as we are not yet in September and I don't have that laid up yet. So this is what that looks like, and I think that looks really nice. It's a lot nicer than the plain dashboard, which just basically looks like this. So that's how it looks without, and that's how it looks with. So I really like that. Obviously on here it says 2021. I just put the month only. I prefer it better like that, and it means that you can use them for any year as well. And then we have the weekly kit. This is my favorite one. I'm super happy with this. It took me ages to make, but I really like it. So it's a big mixture of lots of different things. There's a lot to get you going for the week. Basically what I've done is you've got tick boxes that will fit exactly into the daily space. So I'm going to show you again exactly where those will go. So these rows of boxes will fit exactly onto here. The longer ones, which there are two of, will fit exactly onto here on the weekends. And then you've got the time labels that you can use on the weekends as well. Obviously on the days you already have the times written down, so you don't necessarily need the time labels. If you do want the time labels to change the times, I do those in my shop as a separate sheet. I personally do use those because I don't, these times do not work for me. So I use the separate stickers. You've also got a nice big weekend sticker. I like mine just here. I don't really use this space for an awful lot, so yeah, I think that just makes it look prettier. Then you've got a couple of small event labels, you've got a couple of big event labels, you've got some flags there, then you've got some hourly and half hourly boxes as well. You've got a little arrow, so that's one of the new ones. These are the skinny washi, which fits into these lines here. And you've also got the skinny washi, that's the longer one that I use at the bottom of the pages. And also I like to cover up this line as well. So there's 7 strips there. Then you've got loads of different icons as well. So you've got ones for cooking, ones for the gym, for laundry, journaling, of course, and hoovering, budgeting, shopping, taking the rubbish out, that kind of thing. And you've also got some little knife and fork stickers as well. I've put in 15 of those, so there are 3 per day for all the weekdays, and a couple of little coffee cups too. Then I've added these labels in, which I don't actually do separately in my shop. They are exclusive to this kit at the moment. I probably will do them separately at some point, but at the moment they are just in this kit and I really like those. They look really nice. So that's that one. And then the last one I've done is basically the same as the monthly kit I already have for the monthly spread, but it's just Sunday starting rather than Monday starting. So for people who are diehard Erin Condren fans and like to stick to how the layout is, the Sunday is where the week starts. So that kit is perfect for that. You can stick to the exact same setup. You don't have to move the dates around at all. I prefer the Monday start personally. So that's the only one I've had in my shop up until now, but now I have both. So everyone can be happy and be catered for in terms of that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. Tomorrow is the day I'm going to release my October stickers, as it is the second Friday of the month. I might well be moving my release date up from next month. I haven't quite decided yet, but I may be doing that. So watch out for those tomorrow. And yeah, I really hope you like my new stickers. Please always remember to like, comment and subscribe down below on this video as well if you want to see more of my stickers. Anyway, apart from that, I'm going to leave you guys to it. I hope you have an amazing evening and I will see you next time.